You using chopsticks, Kara? Yeah. Almost got it. Almost. Keep trying. Uh-oh. Let me help you. Okay, chop and eat. Okay. Okay, Kai. Okay. Oh. Kai. Uh-oh. Here. Kai. Okay, beep, Benny. Beep. Okay. Oh, you got it. Oh. What happened? What happened? That's how you use chopsticks, yeah? Yeah? Because your mouth was full? Yeah. Headache. Kara, headache, right? Do it again. Headache. No? No? You're all done? Need help?